Hi there, I'm Ashley, and I want to formally introduce myself. I'm the CEO and founder of Marketini Media, a digital marketing firm based in Madison, Wisconsin. Before starting Marketini, I managed a $50 million marketing budget for BP, working with brands like the MLB, Coca-Cola, Frito-Lay, and many more. But I wanted more than what Big Oil and BP could provide, so I built my own business around my marketing expertise. And honestly, when I started Marketini, I didn't feel confident, but I did feel responsible for making digital marketing actually work for real marketing teams with real challenges and constraints. Because the world of business is a dog-eat-dog world. Every year, thousands of nonprofits and businesses shut their doors forever. And so often this happens because their marketing isn't getting results. That shapes how I teach, how I build tools, and how I support my clients today. I don't believe in try harder marketing. I believe in intentional, strategic, and smart marketing. If that approach interests you, then visit ashleystork.com or send me an email at ashley@marketinimedia.com and let's connect.